Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share 3 methods with you which will help you tell how much gas there is left in your gas cylinder. Keeping track of your gas usage and knowing how much gas you have left is really crucial for living in a caravan full-time, touring, motorhoming, camping, you name it. So I hope you will give this video a like and stay tuned to find out about 3 methods which will help you establish the level of your gas. What I have here is a 13 kilogram propane gas cylinder from Calor, and I checked online that the gross weight of this cylinder is 13 kilograms. If you have a different cylinder, you can just Google the name of it and check on the website of the manufacturer what's the gross weight of your cylinder. So this one is 13 kilograms of gas inside. The gross weight is 30 kilograms, which means the cylinder itself weighs about 17 kg. So the first method, which is the least accurate, is just lifting the cylinder and trying to guess the weight of it. This one is pretty light. Not very accurate, is it? To get a better idea how much gas we have left in the cylinder, we'll need a kettle of hot water. Right, so you need to boil a kettle of water and then just pour it on the side of your gas cylinder and then feel the temperature, because the empty gas cylinder will get hot. This is really hot, and as you move towards the base it should feel cool, and where you feel it cool, this is the level of your gas. So it's more or less here. So that gives you an idea of the level of your gas, not the weight, not the exact weight. You could estimate. Maybe you could even have a little scale here, you know, measure this, estimate half of it, which will give you 6.5 kilogram and so on. So you could play with it. But now, you know, I feel that my gas is definitely here, around here, less than a half, maybe a quarter, maybe a fifth, I would say a fifth of this. So we could double check by weighing the gas cylinder, and I will need an assistant for that. So at first we are going to weigh Marek, and then we are going to weigh Marek holding the gas cylinder. So what's the weight? 77.95, 78, let's say 78. So now let's weigh Marek with the gas cylinder. 78. So what's the weight of the whole gas cylinder? 78, and now it is 95.5. Right, so the gross weight of this at the moment is 17 kilograms, because Marek and the gas cylinder weighs 95.5 and Marek himself weighs 78, which leaves us 17.5 kilogram. That's the weight of this whole gas cylinder, and we know that the gas cylinder itself weighs 17 kilograms, which means this bottle is pretty empty. We have only half of a kilogram of gas left in this cylinder. Obviously, the methods I shared are quite rough. They are not very accurate. It's not up to gram or milligram. This is what you can do at home to give you a rough idea of how much gas you have left in your gas cylinder. And if you are interested in a more adequate and more accurate measurement, you can buy a special tool which comes with an app which will enable you to track the gas usage and the level of gas in your gas cylinder very, very accurately. Truma offers a few gadgets for checking the level of gas in your gas cylinder, but the most accurate we found online is called Truma 320-393 Level Control Battery Operated Gas Content Meter Black. And it is a small thing which you place under your gas cylinder. It's battery operated, it is connected to an app on your smartphone, and it gives you the exact weight of gas left in your gas cylinder, and it can translate it into the days or even hours of how long your gas will last. So this is really accurate, and it uses ultrasound to estimate, well, not to estimate, to give you the exact amount of gas left in your gas cylinder. So if you are interested in buying the product, use the link in the description of this video, and maybe, by the way, visit your Amazon shop prepared by freedom seekers with caravanning gadgets and articles useful when you live in your caravan full time. We have a whole collection of useful stuff which we use, and maybe you will enjoy using them too. I wanted to say spring is just around the corner, but it's the summer. It's summer which is just around the corner, and maybe, you know, your gas usage, your electric usage is probably the least of your concern in those warmer months. But it's worth knowing your usage, the costs of it, the cost of energy you use, whether it's gas or electricity, especially towards the cooler months, winter months. So another video which may be of interest to you guys is my earlier video about campsite EHU points, electric hookups, and how much energy you can use on a campsite, how much energy you can draw before you trip your fuses in your caravan or a motorhome. So yeah, energy is important, knowing your usage is important, because it enables you to budget for your freedom lifestyle. Right guys, I hope you will enjoy watching my other videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, give this video a like, share your comments. If you have any questions, please shoot in the comments. I'm very happy to read them all and respond to them. Thank you.